In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 3 warm-up exercises that you should do before every upper body workout.
I can't let you go, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, an athletic therapist teaching you strategies and tools for living a healthier and happier life by staying injury and pain-free. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So whether you're going to the gym to have a workout or you're playing a sport that requires a lot of upper body movements, these 3 shoulder exercises that I'm going to show you are the key movements to help you warm up the shoulder but also prevent injury. All you need is a TheraBand, and the first one we're going to start with is shoulder external rotation. This is going to help strengthen the rotator cuff muscles. So what you need to do is place the band in your hand, elbows tucked in, palms facing up. You're going to squeeze your shoulder blades back, bringing your thumbs backwards and keeping the elbows tucked into your sides. Slowly control it on the way back in. We'll start with about 15 to 20 reps of those. So this is a great initial warm up for the rotator cuff muscles. So number 2, scapular retractions. This is going to help now strengthen the scapula with the thoracic spine, so specifically targeting more your traps, mid-traps, and rhomboids. So you're going to have the band in your hands. This time your arm's going to be fully extended. Palms can be facing up for this one. You're going to extend your arms, bringing them out towards your sides, squeezing the shoulder blades back like you're going to squeeze an apple between your shoulder blades, and then slowly control it forward. Same thing, 15 to 20 repetitions. Number 3 is a crossbody strength exercise. So you're going to hold on to the band out in front of you, and then you're going to extend one arm overhead out to the side, and then the other arm is going to go down and extend below. So you're going to have your thumbs both going towards the back wall, and you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together and then slowly come back into front. Then you're going to switch sides. You're going to alternate bringing the opposite arm up and the opposite arm down. So this is just going to help assist by engaging the lower traps, upper traps, rhomboids, as well as getting the rotator cuffs. And this is one of the best exercises that you can do to help build neuromuscular stability into the shoulders. So those are your 3 warm-up exercises for the shoulders. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps for all of them. Should only take you about 5 minutes to go through. Just need a little bit of a light resistance to really warm up those shoulders. Then you can get right into your gym routine. So if you want to reduce the risk of shoulder injuries, stay healthy, and lift more weight, then start incorporating these exercises. They'll make a big difference in the long run. So I hope these 3 exercises were helpful. If they were, please give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.